Thanks for tuning into our channel at Healthy Kidney Inc., where we give you great information of things within your power to help support good kidney health in people and pets. And today we're talking about how to lower BUN levels in your cat. And we have another video about how to lower it in people, and it's very similar. It's really the same thing in cats. So I'm going to recap a lot of that. So if you've been just diagnosed with kidney issues, you're looking to do what you can for your cat, you want to get those BUN levels down, first thing you want to do is lower the protein. Get them on a renal diet, okay? Lowering protein is going to help. There's a lot of commercial brands out there. We have another video about commercial brands for cats. If you're buying anything, if you're preparing their food, you want to reduce the protein amounts, not get rid of it, reduce it, because protein makes BUN, okay? Blood urea nitrogen, it makes nitrogen, urea, okay? So protein, so lowering it will help. That's one of the first things, is getting them on a renal diet. Also subcutaneous fluids, making sure they're hydrated. They have to stay hydrated. They're not drinking, which is often an issue in later stages of kidney disease with cats. You have to do those sub-Q fluids, and you get those through the vet, and you'll be doing them either through a bag or injection, but you got to keep them hydrated. It's super important. If you don't keep them hydrated and they don't have proper bowel movements, they're not urinating enough and getting rid of that BUN. They're not getting rid of those toxins. Second, you want to make sure they're having, third, you want to make sure they're having regular bowel movements, okay? Because that's how you get rid of that BUN, is by having regular bowel movements. So sometimes constipation is an issue in kidney disease. So you can make sure adequately hydrated is going to help. Second, making sure they have some type of fiber in their diet. You can use over-the-counter fibers. There's plenty that are safe for cats, like Metamucil, and just a whole bunch of them out there. You want to make sure that hydration, fiber, and pumpkin, okay? Pumpkin's good to have, but you don't want to buy it like packaged in a treat. It usually has a lot of sodium. Just getting pure pumpkin, they have it in cans without anything added, or getting a pumpkin and making it yourself. And that will also help with bowel movements. So you want to get those moving. And the last thing is probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria for your digestive system. You need it. There's trillions in the gut. And with kidney issues, it becomes very imbalanced. And those probiotics, they consume that BUN, they eat it up and lower it. And you'll be having easier bowel movements too with proper probiotics. Now, with a cat that has kidney issues, the minimum amount of probiotics that you should use is 25 billion, all right? We even give the same dose in people. You could say a little less, 15, 20 billion, but you want to make it high, that billions. 2, 3, 4, 5 billion generally isn't going to do anything. It's not enough to consume those toxins. And don't worry when you hear billions, because as I mentioned earlier, there's trillions in the gut. Trillions. So billions is what you really need to make an impact. So whether you're buying a commercial brand or any brand out there of probiotics, make sure it's in that high billions. If you we do have a probiotic supplement which has other great things to help your cat with kidney issues, called Kidney Restore for cats and dogs. It has 50 billion and 7 types of kidney specific probiotics in there. But regardless, just make sure you get those billions. Whether you use our product, someone else's, it's got to be the billions, or it's not going to have an effect. 15, 20 billion at least, and higher the better, okay? Higher the better. Thanks for watching, everybody, and to your cat's best kidney health. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and good wishes. Bye.